Welcome to aminacademy.com. In GMAT, let us do quantitative practice test. In that, we'll do now data sufficiency questions. Look at this example. Before that, statement 1 by itself enough means that is option A. Statement 2 by itself enough to solve the problem, but not 1 is the option B. Option C is the two statements together we need to solve this problem. Option D is the problem can be solved by using either statement 1 only or statement 2 only. E, the problem cannot be solved. Now look at this question here. If k is even, k plus 1 is odd. Suppose take an example, k equal 4, then k plus 1 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. That is k plus 1 is odd. From that we can say k is even as well as k plus 2 is even. K plus 2 which is equal 4 plus 2 is 6, it is even. So each statement individually enough to solve the problem. So our option is D. Here the option D says the problem can be solved by either statement 1 only or statement 2 only. Now 12 is the quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. So the first statement, the angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Here this only one angle is 90 degree is given. From this statement we cannot decide this ABCD is a rectangle. Then second option, AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD means opposite sides are equal here. From that information only we cannot say ABCD is a rectangle. So the option E. Therefore we cannot solve by using these two statements. Then question number 13. Sam has a total 33 nickels and dimes in his pocket. How many dimes does he have? Here let nickels have the value 0.05 and dimes have 0.10. Now there are more than 30 nickels. Here there are more than 30 nickels. Maybe nickels have 31 first. Nickels have 31 numbers. Now each nickel have 0.05, therefore 31 into 0.05 which gives $1.55, and remaining two dimes are there, that is 2 into the value is fills, that is $0.1 which is equal 20, that is 2. That is 0.22 is 0.20, that is 20. Here which is equal 0.2. Here total value is now $1.75. So this here the statement 1 itself enough. Then come to the statement 2. He has total 1.75 in his pocket. So we got 1.75 in his pocket. So the option here, this both statement together is sufficient. Here both statement together sufficient is option C. Next one, If x is a non-zero integer, is x is positive. The question is x is positive if x is non-zero integer. First condition, x squared is positive. Suppose take x equal 2 and therefore x square equal 2 into 2, 4. X square is positive now, but if you take even here, x can be minus 2 also, since minus 2 into minus 2 is also 4. But here x square is here also x square is positive, but we are taking x as negative, but we cannot take x as negative, so option A is not possible. Now option B, suppose x is 2, x square is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, have positive, as well as then if you are taking x is but even here, suppose minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, means here x cube is not positive here. Therefore here option B is enough to solve the option B, but not that is option 2 is enough to solve, not 1. Therefore our option is D. Next question, the area of the triangle is 36 square units. What is the height here? Here the total area equal 36 centimeter square units. Now what the first option, first statement is the area of the similar triangle is 48 square units. If the area of the similar triangle of this triangle is 48, we cannot say what is the area of this triangle because there is no ratio given, so 1 is not enough to solve. Look at this statement 2. The base of the triangle is half of the height. So base of the triangle is half of the height. So base itself h by 2 and height is h. From that we can solve half into base into height is 36. So h square over 4 equal to 36. Then h square equal to 4 into 36. From that we can solve h and we can find the height by using statement 2 only. So our option is B. The rest of the problems we will do for continuous videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.